Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be making a custom coffee mug. So the very first step that I'm going to do is to actually make a rough sketch out of it. So yeah, let's do that.
This is dedicated. Wow. You the first thing I think of when I wake up at 7:30, late for work. So when I get there, they look at me kinda dirty. I look at pictures of us together and think I ain't worthy. And part of me, I've been known to get wordy. This little birdie told me I should tell you that you don't owe me nothing for dinner, cause it's a gentlemanly thing to do, but my pocket's thinner. So if you in the mood, there's some hot pockets and ramen, and I wonder would you get the check? Hey, I know that you super into being independent, and I should honor that. Hey, what's on the tab? And you the bomb like Islamabad. I'm an honest cat, so whatever I say, I mean it. And if I ever don't seem it, I appreciate you holding me down like a block of cement. She got a job working for long hours a day when I was away, but she be holding me down, holding me down. I ain't around, holding me down. She got a job working for long hours a day when I was away, but she be holding.
Alright guys, तो हमारा जो basic sketch है of the doodle वो पूरा हो चुका है and it's looking really amazing. I really like this idea because I included a lot of things into this and it turned out to be really good. And here I am watching some Spy Family. अगर आपने देखा होगा ये anime तो बहुत अच्छा anime है. You can watch this anime to be very honest. This is a really good anime. So now we are moving to the next step. अब next step ये होने वाला है कि जो मैंने sketch बनाया है ना, इसको मैं अपने कॉफी मग पे ट्रांसफर करूंगा और मैं मोस्टली ज़्यादा कुछ करने वाला नहीं हूँ, बस मैं पेंसिल लेके उस पे sketch कर दूंगा rough sketch. So yeah, let's just start with the next step.
I know you got problems, know you at the bottom, know you took a loss today. Everybody want bottles, living for a throttle, you just want bottle today. Tell me joy, where's hiding? I've been trying to find it before I go all the way. Cause everybody got problems, everybody starving, but don't you go off today, yeah. Don't you go off, don't you go off, yeah. That's right, don't go off.
Alright guys, तो हमारा जो स्केच है वो हमने अपने कॉफी मग को बना लिया है. टर्न आउट टू बी रियली गुड यार. मुझे नहीं लगा था कि इतना अच्छा लगेगा क्योंकि मैंने बेसिकली ना इसमें बड़े बड़े शेप्स यूज किए हैं और बड़े शेप्स यूज करने के दो फायदा. एक तो पहली बात आपको बहुत ज्यादा डिटेल में नहीं जाना पड़ता और दूसरी बात कि आपका जो भी स्केच है वो जल्दी हो जाता है और कलरिंग भी जल्दी हो जाती है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप आई एम मूविंग टू इज एक्चुअली आई एम गोना बी कलरिंग इन दिस वन. आई एम वाचिंग चेनसॉ मैन. इट्स रियली गुड एनीमे. यू गाइस कैन वॉच इट टू. नाउ आई विल जस्ट स्टार्ट विद द कलरिंग सेक्शन. सो या, लेट्स जस्ट डू दैट.
I'm in the light at the end of the tunnel. Paper stacks, yeah, I got them in the bundles. Harry Potter breaking bread with a muggle. They said I wouldn't make it, now they looking puzzled. They said I wouldn't take it.
Alright guys, so we have turned into a little bit problem here. तो हो ये रहा है कि ये जो Posca markers है ना, जैसे आपको पता है कि ये water based colors होते हैं, तो ये सूखने में बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम ले रहे हैं. The easy solution is to turn on this guy fan itself. So yeah, I have to work actually the fan turn on. Not that turn on, actually just turn on, and what I mean is I'll just switch it on. Yeah, switch it on and it will start rotating so that it can blow air. Okay, so I'll just switch on the fan and then let's start working on this.
How to go and hustle, get the bag, it ain't never getting fumbled. In the jack, but we came up from the bottom. Through the cracks, let the light pour in. Have a blast, let the drinks pour in. Take a risk like it's a short thing. Going in, yeah, I'm going all in. Getting flued out, yeah, you can bring a friend. Dive right in, let's go. Move forward and dip in your toes. Let the rhythm take control. It's going down tonight, yeah. Dive right in, let's go. Move forward and dip in your toes. Let the rhythm take control. It's going down tonight, yeah. I just do see you later, no goodbyes.
Alright guys, तो हमारा जो कलरिंग सेक्शन है वो पूरा हो चुका है. मतलब लुक एट दिस यार. ये बस कलर करने के बाद ही बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे, क्योंकि इसमें जो मैंने काफ़ी सारे Posca मार्कर्स के कलर्स यूज़ किए हैं. तो लाइन एड करने के लिए मेरे पास दो आर्ट सप्लाईज है. पहली बात तो मेरे पास ब्लैक Posca मार्कर है, जो ये जो है जो बहुत ज़्यादा नॉर्मल एरियाज है वहाँ पे मैं इसको यूज़ करूँगा. लेकिन जो डिटेल वाले एरियाज है ना, उनके लिए मैं ये अपने मॉन्ट मार्टे के जो फाइन वाले ब्रशेज है ना, रिसेंटली लिए थे, इनको यूज़ करूँगा क्योंकि ये फाइन डिटेलिंग के लिए बहुत अच्छे हैं गाइस. मतलब अगर मुझे थोड़ा सा टेक्सचर वगैरह देना है तो आई एम गोना बी यूजिंग दिस ब्रश एक्चुअली. So yeah, let's just start with line art and finish this off.
We know. Dive right in, let's go. Move forward and dip in your toes. Let the rhythm take control. It's going down tonight, yeah. Dive right in, let's go. Move forward and dip in your toes.